Welcome.
Thank you. Nice to be here.
You were the moderator of the event, the panel,
Yes.
and it was really interesting. What did you talk about mainly?
So it really is all about quality of digital and how we need to change the measurement tools we're currently using, stop accepting poor formats, allowing poor publishers to exist in the ecosystem. I think the panel was understanding that the change that we want and we require is probably a long-term goal. For me, the great thing was we got consensus was we need unified metrics that we measure media owners or publishers on. And that needs to go back to each country, and they should try workshop that in the various environments. We need to stop buying poor media from media owners who won't allow third-party verification. So, I thought there was robust debate. The guys were passionate. I'm very excited about where the digital industry is heading because people are starting to take ownership, and we're maturing from a petulant teenager into an adult. And as you become an adult and you get married and you buy your first home, so you need to start behaving a bit more responsibly. And hopefully Facebook and Google will lead the way because we need them to behave properly and not as they currently are. And I think that together with client pressure, we can see a big shift in what's good enough in digital.
Well, your last sentences were quite rebellious, and I think they were great. So what will happen next? What do you think?
Well, I think the advertisers are starting to work out where there's value. So it doesn't mean there's not huge value with Google and Facebook, because there is. But some of their ad formats or their brand safety environments are not in the best interests of the client. And instead of taking a step back and self-measuring and maybe only making $1 trillion and not a gazillion, stop selling the bad, unviewable video views as an example. They currently still do that. So I think the opportunities, clients are going to put them under pressure. Say, guys, I want brand safe, viewable environments on video as an example. We like you, we like your ecosystem, you've got reach, but we only want to buy the good views from you. So I think pressure will come to bear, and they will moderate because they're smart enough, they understand, they're good commercial business people, but currently they're getting away with murder.
Thank you very much.